Is your brain flooded with the ideas and innovation? Do you want to surround yourself with the innovative people? Do you think you are a problem solver? Do you feel yourself different from the crowd? Are you looking for an opportunity that someone could help you in implementing ideas? Then CIS Student Club is the right platform.
The purpose of this today's session is the spreading awareness of DIT incubation and startup policy, which is being prepared on the basis of NISP policy of Ministry of Education.
We align our policy in four major areas. So there is four major areas where this whole policy is depend. So in that four major area, there is allocation of some innovation fund. There is academic break, means the person working on this startup or innovation. So there is academic break for both students as well as faculty, but it is sole dissertation of the institution whether they can provide there is genuine case. So whatever committee will be decide, that only will happen. Then there is a provision for providing space for pre-incubation and incubation support, and there is also provision to take equity from startup where we are providing the support. Also, we are recently working on free model, but there is a provision in our policy that we can also take equity from the.
And next is creating innovation pipeline pathway for entrepreneur at the university level. The main agenda, the policy, intend to promote students and faculty driving innovation and startup, and the University of the DIT University entrepreneurial main agenda is spreading awareness among the students, faculty and staff about the value of entrepreneurship
startup. So these are the 10 main points. So now I invite Dr. Anurag.
Thank you very much, sir. First is strategies and governance. Then second is startup enabling DIT University infrastructure, nurturing innovations and startup, product ownership, right for technologies developed at DIT University, organizational capacity, human resource and incentive, creating innovation pipeline and pathways for entrepreneurs at DIT University level, norms for faculty startup, pedagogy and learning interventions for entrepreneurship development, collaboration, co-creation, business relationship and knowledge exchange, entrepreneurial impact assessment,
and its role of the career development. To prepare the students of creating the startups through the education, integration of education activities with enterprise related activities will be done. And the main motto is to develop entrepreneurial mindset through the training in cognitive skill by inviting experts, by entrepreneurs to address the young minds, like as idea and innovative competitions, boot camping, seminars, through the exhibitions, through the boot camping.
And in today's session, I will discuss about IEC, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Club of DIT University, that is CIIES Student Club. And before that, I have some questions that I want to ask with you. Like, is your brain flooded with the ideas and innovation? Do you want to surround yourself with the innovative people? Or do you think you are a problem solver? Do you feel yourself different from the crowd? Do you want to explore yourself? Are you looking for the opportunity to upgrade yourself? Are you looking for an opportunity that someone could help you in implementing ideas? So, if there is yes to majority of the above questions, then CIS Student Club is the right. Let me tell about CIS Student Club. It is a club of DIT University, as you all know, that's provide you opportunity to learn through experience, to implement with a guide, to develop skills through the activities. This is the club which is active throughout the year. You can say 24 into 7 into 365. And it holds the hands of its member to begin networking and grow in the area of interest. And apart from this club gives a real corporate environment where all the members are working and implementing innovative ideas and developing their skills by doing it. If you are an active member, let me tell you one thing, if you are an active member of the club, you will be benefited in many ways. While talking about myself, I have a great journey with CIS Student Club, from becoming a member of CIS to becoming the Innovation Ambassador at IISc. CIS Student Club helped me a lot, and